we'll guide you through how to make a gold text Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Photopea website in your favorite browser. Photopea is accessible on any device, including laptops, smartphones, and desktop computers. On your computer desktop, open your usual browser. Right-click on your browser shortcut and open it. Wait for the browser to open properly before continuing. Hover your cursor over the search bar or address bar, then click inside it. Type Photopea in the search field. Press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. Let the browser perform the search and display the results. Select 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏 from the top options shown on the page. Click the result to open the website. Once the website opens, you will be redirected to the Photopea homepage. On the homepage, select New Project to begin. Choose one of the available canvas templates or customize your own canvas size according to your needs. Tap the Create button to start editing. Once the project opens, the Photopea editing page will appear on your screen. Next, use the text tool in the toolbar to type your text. Before typing, set the font, size, and color first. To get a gold color, open the color box. Enter the color code #𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 and then click OK to apply it. Type the text that you want to change into a gold design. Resize and reposition the text so it is centered on the canvas. Double-click the text layer in the Layers panel to open the layer style settings. Activate the bevel and emboss feature to create a metallic effect. Copy these settings. Depth 500%, size 30 pixels, soften 2 pixels, and angle 120 degrees. Also change the contour model to 2 hills. Next, activate the contour feature located below the bevel and emboss option. Set the contour model to Gaussian. Increase the range value to 50% to enhance the effect. If necessary, add a drop shadow effect to create a more natural and realistic appearance. Click OK to save all your changes and apply the effects. You have now successfully learned how to make gold text in Photopea with a professional and attractive finish.